Hello and welcome back to Storytime. We hope you're enjoying the Ellie the Fire Dog stories created by West Midlands Fire Service. Along with the stories, we are setting activities for you to take part in. I hope you've been having fun taking part while you've been staying safe at home. Today's story is called What an Awful Noise. Are you sitting comfortably? Let's begin.
Hello, I'm Crew Commander Ben Shaw from Bedworth Fire Station, and today we're reading Ellie the Fire Dog, What an Awful Noise. Dad had been shopping. What have you brought? Asked Grace. Smoke alarms, said Dad. What do they do? Asked Grace. They let us know if smoke's around by making a very loud bleeping noise. Like this, said Tom. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Yes, said Dad. Then everyone must get out of the house and dial 999 and wait for the fire brigade to come to make sure that everything is safe. Dad fetched his ladders into the hallway and fixed the smoke alarm onto the ceiling. Let's push the button and make sure it works, said Dad. The bleeping noise was so loud, Grace and Tom had to cover their ears. Next, he put up a smoke alarm on the ceiling upstairs. Dad said, every Friday we must check that they work. It's your job to remind me. Now that's a good job done. Let's go and have tea. Everyone sat down and ate Grace's favourite tea, beans on toast. It was time for bed. Grace and Tom went straight to sleep. Then Mum and Dad went to bed and Ellie. The whole house was soon fast asleep. It was very quiet. Suddenly, there was an awful noise. Bleep, 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 bleep. Everyone jumped out of bed and ran to the landing. It's the smoke alarm, said Grace. Come on, said Dad. Everyone outside and stay together. They went into the garden. Dad used his mobile phone to dial 999 for the fire brigade. I'm scared, said Grace. Don't be scared, said Mum. The firefighters will make sure that we're all safe. Ellie didn't like the noise either. She was scared too and hid behind a garden wall, but no one saw her. Ellie isn't here, cried Grace. I've got to get her, and she started to run to the house. Suddenly, she felt a big tug on the back of her pyjamas. It was Ellie. She grabbed Grace just in time. Well done, Ellie. You stopped Grace, said Dad. You should never go back into a house. There might be a fire. Look, Ellie, it's fine. Grace threw her arms around Ellie and gave her a big hug. The firefighters soon came and said, the smoke alarm went off because of the smoke from your toast that you burnt earlier. It's safe to go in now. Everyone said thank you to the firefighters and went back to bed. I'm glad we've got smoke alarms, said Mum. Now we know we're all safe. Have you got smoke alarms where you live?
Do you have smoke alarms in your home? Smoke alarms make a really loud noise when they smell smoke. This lets us know there's a fire and warns us to get out. It is important to test our smoke alarms are working by pressing the test button once a week. With an adult to support, can you test your smoke alarms are working? You will hear a loud beeping noise to let you know they are working. Why don't you try drawing a smoke alarm? You can even write safety messages around it. You can send a photo of your drawings to cfs@warwickshire.gov.uk along with your name and age for us to share on social media and show everybody how to keep safe. This is something you can shout, get out, stay out, call the fire brigade out.